Morning, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a two stars puzzle. Two stars puzzle. Uh, in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 11th, 2024, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, no extra edition of yesterday, Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cijferblok. And you are interested in this one, the Two Stars Sudoku number 7782. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28. Well, usually the two stars puzzle has 26. And for 26 stars puzzle, for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it seems it has 28 instead of 26. Should be 0 stars then. For 0 stars, faster than 50 minutes. No, 40 minutes. 14 or 13 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have 4 and a 6 in this column. Middle column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 9. Oh, well, no. Let me see. Okay. 5 in this row. Last row. 5 in a row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have 5 in that column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have 1 and a 6 in this column, middle column, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 4, the 6, and the 3. We have a 4, 6, and a 3 in this row, so no 4, 6, and a 3 in these 3 boxes. 4, 6, and a 3 goes in those 3 boxes. And look, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 4 in this column, no 4 in those 3 boxes, or 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and the 3 are left. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So the other 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. That means that the other 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between. And the only place left, the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes. And there. 6 in this third column. 6 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So here we have the 5 and the 7 then. Okay. Then let me see. 8, 7, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place level 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left here for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8 cannot fill this yet. That means 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. About these 3 missing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are missing. Well, we have an 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, only place left 8 should be there. So the 7 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 7 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, 1 box left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. We have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 in that column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay, and now 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and then 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 and a 7. We have a 5 now in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for number 7, I believe. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left with 8 should be there, and the final number in this big square for the number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Finish in 10 minutes. Whoa. We solved again. This is an easy one, yeah. An easy one. Told you. 0 stars. Faster than 14 or 30 minutes. And we solved it again. Alright, thank you for watching. And I will see you later for the third and last puzzle. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.